Today, well, this morning, I did wake up in a bit of a stirry mood. So I was indeed editing my latest video, and my mouse started to act up. So basically, yeah, I decided to smash it up a bit. Yeah. So I decided I needed a new one. So I ventured over to Amazon to find a very cheap alternative gaming mouse for a budget price. So basically we looked for the best budget gaming mouse on that Amazon store with same day delivery. And a few hours later, we have it right here. So first of all, it does seem like an unbranded mouse. It is indeed an Amazon Choice mouse. It's advertised, in fact, as being a gaming mouse. And you know what, guys? I will, in fact, leave a link for this within the video description if you want to check it out for yourselves. Now, there's not much in the way of English specifications on the outside of the box, no. So we are simply gonna head inside. Alrighty then, for £7.99, this is what you get. Alright, I know you can go ahead and get yourself a cheap gaming mouse from the Argos store, or indeed the B&M Home store, which is a store within the UK. But we did, in fact, need a mouse really quick. We couldn't be bothered going out really, and we, well, got it delivered to our door, so we saved on petrol. Woo! So in regards to the looks in general, it does indeed have a gaming aesthetic to it. And it also has nice, sharp, pointy corners to the front too, yeah. But yeah, it does have a thick, wired cable. Okay, so it actually is a core cable covered in braided nylon waterproof material with a USB to the end. To the top of the mouse, we have that DPI switch button, with 4 DPI levels to choose from: 3600, 2400, 1600 and 1200. It does work hand in hand with that 20K optical sensor underneath, which actually, on that high DPI setting, is relatively surprisingly quick, especially for a very budget gaming mouse, that is. Again, to the top of the mouse, there are those soft feeling, contoured right and left index and middle finger buttons. There's a scroll wheel just central, with a middle button which is built in. Again, it actually feels quite nice and swift to use, with the forwards and backwards button sitting just to the left hand side, feeling, you know what, very springy, and not feeling very durable either. So yes, grip with this mouse is just about average. Underneath is flat and smooth, with no raised surface screws. It is however a bit noisy, say when manoeuvring it on a flat table surface, but it's not too bad when it's on a good sized mouse mat. The RGB lights built into this unit, well, they do have an aesthetically pleasing look to them. I did think you might be able to switch between those particular colour choices though, but I'm afraid that they only breathe between 7 different colour choices. No, you can't choose one particular colour. So my initial thoughts with the design, it is very basic. Yes, again, it certainly has a gaming aesthetic look to it, especially with that circuitry design that lights up. Which, come to think of it, you know what, we didn't get any instructions in the box. So now we don't know if we can actually turn the lights off, or indeed definitely turn the lights between different colours. No. Oh well, nevertheless, although we have been using this throughout the evening for editing and doing a bit of gaming, we did find that the mouse was overall quite swift, somewhat problem free, but we did indeed find that those back buttons to the left and right of the mouse, which we mentioned before were quite springy, they are super sensitive, and due to their springiness, once your thumb just slightly touches it, now and again, for example, if you're editing a video, it would just simply back off, which again is rather annoying, especially if you're trying to do some intricate details when editing the picture or designing a new thumbnail for your latest video, yeah. Apart from that little problem, I was relatively pleased, and I do think it is capable to use on a daily basis. Okay, it's not within that big boy gaming category of gaming mouse equipment, but for £8, that's 11 in US dollars, this Amazon Choice value gaming mouse with same day delivery is not too bad, but does in fact receive our score of 7 out of 10, noting that that is indeed within our lowest budget range category. Now guys, I'm not affiliated in any type of way, but I will leave a link in the video description for you guys to check out for yourself. But if you have liked what you've seen in this video today, well, why not check it out and go get yours. While you're in that video description guys, it means so much if you please smash a like on this video. Please go ahead and subscribe, again I'd very much appreciate it, as well as hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all my new uploads. Now we're going to be doing some more fascinating unboxings in the next few days, so stay tuned for them. But as usual guys, please stay safe and thank you ever so much for watching. Peace!